Hello friends, I'm having a Python problem here and I'm discussing this problem because I found that many students are having confusion in this. So I will be discussing this. So we have value of x and y, which is 20 and 60, and then we are given y comma x comma y is equal to x comma y minus 10 comma x plus 10, and then we are printing x and y. So this is a problem related to swapping of variables. So what I have seen that some students are solving it like this. So they are using uh, following type of logic. So we are given x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 60. Okay. Now, if you see the second line, we have y comma x comma y is equal to x comma y minus 10 comma x plus 10. So y is equal to x and x is 20. Now x is equal to y minus 10. Y minus 10. So it will be 20 minus 10. So 10. Okay. Now we have y is equal to x plus 10. Okay. Now x is 10. So 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Now we are printing x and y. So x is 10, y is 20. So 10 comma 20 should be the output. Okay. So this is how I have seen some of the students solving it. So answer is 10 comma 20, but it is totally wrong. I will tell you why. For example, suppose you are given uh, x comma y is equal to 20 comma 60. Okay, and you are given expression like x comma y is equal to y comma x. Okay, so we know that uh, this expression x comma y is equal to y comma x will swap the variable, means x will become 60 and y will become 20. But if I solve it using the logic that we have used here, then let us see how, what is the answer that we get. So x is 20, y is 60, it is given to us, and then x is equal to y. So x is equal to y and y is 60. So now x has become 60. Then y is equal to x. And what is x? X is equal to y is equal to x. And x is equal to 60, because the updated value of x is 60. So we will get the answer 60. So x is 60, y is 60, which is totally wrong, because we know that when we write x comma y is equal to y comma x, then values will be swapped. Okay, x will become 60 and y will become 20. So this method is entirely incorrect. Okay, so in the second line, this swapping thing is happening simultaneously. Okay, this swapping thing is happening simultaneously, and that is why whatever values of x and y is given in the previous line, that will remain same. These changes will not affect the value of x and y, okay, that are happening in the second line. So let us see what will be the correct solution. So correct solution is so we are given x is equal to 20, y is equal to 60. Now y is equal to x. Y is equal to x, so it will be 20. Next line, x is equal to y minus 10. Now we will not take the updated value of y. We will take the value of y that is given in the previous line, that is 60. So it will be 60 minus 10, that is 50. And then we have y is equal to x plus 10. X plus 10, that is, now what is the value of x? We will take value of x that is given in the previous line, that is x is equal to 20 initial value. So 20 and plus 10, that is 30. So output will be, we are printing x and y, so x is now 50 and y is 30. So this is the correct answer. Okay, this is incorrect output. Okay, that we were getting here. This is the correct answer. So I'm discussing this because I found that many of the students were having a doubt in this. Okay, so thank you.